But wait a minute now. I'm going to put a scenario up to everybody. What if you, learning the principles of fasting and meditation, you don't buy shit from none of the stores for a month. You don't go to the fucking subways to go to work for a month. You don't turn on your lights for a month. You don't do shit, the television, nothing. You shut this bad thing down for a month. Can you do that? Can you shut down the habits that you have formed? Can you stop doing the bullshit that keeps this beast keeping you in misery? No, because you like your television. You like your Mickey D hamburgers. You like all the shit. You like to be entertained. But you don't want to suffer. You don't want them missed meal cramps. You don't want to deal with what it is that comes down when you don't have food or drink. You don't want to shut him down at the source, because if you ain't buying shit, guess what? That motherfucker will come to you hat in hand. He will find a way to find you to do something for him, because the secret behind this shit is because you are participating in his shit. The more you participate, the more powerful he gets. You stop participating, Gandhi, that motherfucker showed you what the deal was. He stopped doing everything and shut the whole goddamn country down. 90 billion motherfuckers stopped doing everything, and the British Empire started cringing. If you stop participating, and that's the trick, he keeps your attention. That Bobby was saying. He keeps your attention. He keeps you looking in one direction because he don't want you concentrating in the other. If you shut him down, shut the television, the radio, the movies, his food, all of that shit off, he ain't got a way into you. Now he got to come and shoot you. He got to show you what he really wants to do or has to do. But if you stop buying everything that belongs to him and you stop aggrandizing the beast, he will die. You keep him alive. You are the beast.